Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So first of all, what you have to do is simply open your Snapchat application, and at the top left corner you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on that. Now what you can do is simply scroll down, and you can do two things. Either tap on this create public profile option right on the public profile section, right, or you can simply tap on the three dots right beside the add to spotlight option. After tapping on the three dots right beside the add to spotlight option, you will see something like this. You can either tap on the create public profile, or you can simply tap on this create public profile under public profile section. I will simply do this. If it's not available, you can do the alternate option. Simply just scroll this and simply tap on get started. Now read this. By creating a public profile, you will show your name on any snaps you have ever posted to Spotlight or SnapMap. Any lenses you have made and marked as searchable will also appear on your public profile. You can edit or delete your public profile at any time. So what you can do is simply tap on the create option. Now wait for a while, and as you can see, the public profile on your Snapchat has been created. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, good